Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for objective exams. First, thoroughly understand your exam's structure. Identify if it's multiple choice, true or false, or matching. Know the total number of questions and the exact time you have, perhaps 60 minutes for 50 questions. Also, clarify the scoring. Some exams deduct points for wrong answers, while others do not. This foundational knowledge is crucial for effective preparation. Next, employ active learning strategies. Don't just passively read. Instead, summarize main ideas in your own words. Make physical or digital flashcards for crucial terms, definitions, and formulas. For example, if you have 20 key terms, make a card for each. Regularly test yourself by recalling information without peeking at your notes. This active engagement significantly boosts retention. Practice is paramount. Complete practice questions and full-length, past exams under timed conditions, simulating the real test environment. For instance, dedicate 1 hour to 50 questions. After, meticulously analyze every incorrect answer to pinpoint your weaknesses. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your choice was wrong. This self-assessment refines your understanding. Finally, on exam day, prioritize rest. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Read every question meticulously, paying close attention to critical keywords such as always or never. Allocate your time wisely. For a 60-minute exam with 50 questions, that's about 1 minute and 12 seconds per question. If unsure, make an educated guess, but avoid spending too much time on any single item.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.